How to fix Instagram story problem. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps manager. When you open the apps manager on this page, you will find every single app that you have on your mobile phone. So all what you want to do is keep waiting a few seconds, and after that just scroll down exactly like that. Now when you scroll, you will find the Instagram app right here. Just click on it. Click on this force stop to stop the app from running, and after that click on permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions right here. Go back, click on data usage. Make sure that the Wi-Fi and the mobile data here are enabled. Go back, click on the storage or the internal storage. Click on clear data and delete all the data. Go back to the settings on your phone. Click on wireless add networks. Go to the Wi-Fi, disable it and enable it. So don't forget to like, subscribe.